8th graders, here is your Aspire to Do assignment. It is a find a word, so good luck. Doing find a words is a great way to work your brain. I love to do them, and there are many benefits from doing them. Again, you guys are more computer savvy than I, so I think you'll be able to figure out the best way of finding the words. Now, one thing that I like to do when I'm doing them is I have a pen, a stylus for my iPad, and I look for the word and I find it and I just mark over the word. And then I can come down here and mark it off. Now, you can come up with it and do it however you so choose. Remember, when you get done, to submit it to me through Canvas. So, good luck, have fun, enjoy.